Join me as I make this sweet, delicious papaya date smoothie. Okay, these are ingredients. We have our orange, we have our papaya, our dates, and our lemon. I wanted the lemon and the orange to be the base. Okay, the base liquid to blend our papaya and our dates. Okay, this is me. I finished extracting the juice from our orange and our lemon, and I'm pouring in our dates and our papaya into the blender to blend it. Okay, now we blend it to paste. Make sure you blend it to paste. Let it be so smooth. Okay, now this is me blending it to paste. Grind it very well. Blend it very well. Okay, after blending, it is ready, and this is the outcome. All right, look at how delicious, look at how yummy this are our smoothie look. You can just pour it into your cup. You can put it in the refrigerator to get chilled, and you take your smoothie. Thank you for joining us this time. See you in our next video. Bye.